India versus Australia, first test match. Both team playing 11.
Team Australia final playing 11. Number 1 Travis Head. Number 2 Steve Smith. Number 3 Usman Khawaja. Number 4 Manos Labuschagne. Number 5 Alex Carey. Number 6 Mitchell Marsh. Number 7 Pat Cummins. Number 8 Josh Hazlewood. Number 9 Nathan Lyon. Number 10 Nathan Museni. Number 11 Mitchell Starc. Team India final playing 11. Number 1 Y Jaiswal.
Number 2 KL Rahul.
Number 3 Virat Kohli.
Number 4 Nitish Kumar Reddy.
Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Sarfaraz Khan. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Ravi Ashwin. Number 9 Akashdeep. Number 10 Mohammad Siraj. Number 11 Jasprit Bumrah.